Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. In this video, I will be talking about imports in Node.js. So I'll teach you how to import modules, library or packages in Node.js. So let's get started without wasting much of time. So the last video we learned a lot about, objects, right? So now let me just create a new file called as t6.js, right? So I'm right now in my t6.js file right here, and we are about to learn about modules and packages or how to import stuff. So remember guys, in Python we have something called as, like we do this way, like import OS, we import modules. But in Node.js, this is not how it works. So in Node.js, you would say, if you want to import some package, let's say you want to import the path, which is by default there in the Node.js. So you can say something like const, right? And you can say path, and then basically you can say require. That means you want to get the package, or you want to use this package, and in this you would say path. This is how you would do. This is similar to of Python, like import path. I mean, just for your knowledge, right? And let me write also, otherwise you will write this. So this is in Python, right? Let us write a simple stuff, right? So path dot parse. Let's see what do we get, right? Just want to show you a very first import, right? Let me remove that. What is this? T6. Yep. And here you can see we have an object in return, so you can access this object using the dot operator. You can say dot name, so it's going to give you the file name, the extension, the directory and stuff like that, right? So this is how you basically write do an import module, right? Import a package. Now let me show you how do you import a function from other like Node.js module in this file. Okay, let's not complicate things. Let me say touch. Let me write a function here in test.js, and we'll import that function in this file. So let me also teach you that. So let us say I have a function and it's gonna do nothing. Let's do this way, function log. All right, so that's our basic function. Right now, if I want to use this function in this file t6.js, how do I do that? So basically there is something called as module.export. So we need to export this, right? So let me pull up my notes also quickly simultaneously. So here is how you would do that. So if you just want to import the function, so you can say module.export, right? So let me show you that. So let's say I want to import this function. So I can say module exports. Was it export or exports? Exports, and then the name of the function, right? That's it. Okay. Now in the t6.js, I want to use this, right? So how do you basically import that? So you can say const, right? And what was the name is log, right? And you will say require, and in the brackets you would provide dot slash and the name of the file, which was test.js, right? That's it. Now if I want to access that function, right? So I can simply use this. I can say log, and that's it. So now if I run my not that one. So if I run this t6.js, here you can see I am a logger, which was there in the test folder, right? So this is how you basically import or export functions that you want to use in other files in Node.js, right? So that's how you do it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And let me also let me see, am I missing something? No, I'm not missing anything. So that's all about the imports. This is how you can import library or package, right? Or if you want to import functions from other Node.js file, this is how you would do it. If you want to install any packages, right? So you would say npm install and the name of the package, like say mongoose or https or whatever, right? We'll see that in the upcoming videos, right? So still we are learning about the basics. So that's how you would basically do an import, right? So see you in the next video.